For the quicker method, you're gradually adding in the 3 lots of flour and mixing in between. In between each addition of flour, you're mixing for 2 minutes. Gradually add in enough flour until just a little sticky. Then knead for 8 minutes. Leave to rest for 15 minutes. Now divide the dough in half and form each half into a nice tight ball. Now I am dividing into 4 sections so that I can end up with 8 equal pieces. Then I'm flouring my hands and I am forming nice tight balls of dough. Again in slow motion. It's a pulling and tucking under itself type of motion. This creates some surface tension and produces a nice tight ball of dough. Now flour your working area and your rolling pin and roll out back and forth just a couple of times, and then turn the dough 90 degrees and repeat the same process. This makes 8 large burger buns. If you want regular size, divide into 12 pieces. Place onto your prepared baking trays with plenty of space and brush with the egg wash and add your seeds of choice. Leave to prove for a second time in the same warm area before you bake. Here's some fully seeded ones. These were really nice. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy baking, bakers!